Hello YouTube family, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, welcome. My name is Vanessa. So in today's video I have for you guys this Thanksgiving makeup tutorial so you can look cute and glammed up while you're sitting in your living room for Thanksgiving. So if you guys want to see how to get this look, make sure you keep on watching. Are you guys on TikTok? If you guys are on TikTok, then you know why this shirt is funny. You know the vibes. Let me stop, that was disgusting. But if you guys are on TikTok, make sure you follow me on TikTok. And on Instagram I have the same handle. I will put it on the screen. But yeah, oh, before I begin, I do want to say thank you guys so much for 510 subscribers. I've never worn this shirt. How the hell does it have a stain? Whatever. What was I saying? Oh, thank you guys so much for taking me to 510 subscribers. I'm really so grateful and so happy. Thank you so much for your support and your love. Like, I can't believe this, honestly. I'm really happy and I have you guys to thank, so thank you. We are only going up from here. So for this look, we're only using the Jackie Aina and Ebates palette. So we are going to start off, with this orangey shade called Edges, and we're going to apply that all over our lid. So now to blend out those edges, we're going to go into Ginger right here. Alright, so now with our finger, we're going to be applying Zam all over the lid. So now I'm going to do some wing liner, and I'm using the Ebates liquid liner. I do have a very honest review on this liner, so if you guys want to check that out, I will link it down below. So now we're moving on to foundation, and I'm using the Dose of Colors Meet Your Hue foundation in the shade 123. Without you on my mind, not even 1 minute can end up before you come around. So now for concealer, I'm using the Dose of Colors concealer in the shade 17. So now to set my under eyes, I'm going to be using the Huda Beauty setting powder in the shade Pound Cake, and then the rest of my face I'm going to set with the Mercier translucent powder. So I did contour off camera simply because contouring is just a preference of mine, but we are going to be bronzing, and I'm using the NYX Cosmetics matte bronzer in the shade Medium. Now for blush, I'm using the Charlotte Tilbury Sex on Fire blush. Alright guys, I'm back. So I did apply lashes off camera. These are the Isla Cosmetics Arena lashes. Remember that every time you shop on their site, if you use the code Vanessa, you can save some money. So be sure to check their lashes out. They actually just added a bunch of new styles, so I would definitely recommend them. They're all high quality and super affordable. I'll link them down below. So now we're moving on to highlighter. Honestly, this look is gorgeous matte as it is, but I love highlighter, so I have to put it on. This is the Bobbi Brown Bronze Glow highlighter. I don't know if they make this shade anymore. I got this years ago, so if it's discontinued, I'm sorry. So I'm going to be lining my lips with the Makeup Forever Versatile Chestnut Lip Liner. So now for lipstick, I'm using the Kylie Cosmetics Ginger Liquid Lipstick, and this is the most perfect fall lip shade. It's absolutely stunning. Alright guys, so this is the finished look. My hair looks a little flat right now and odd shaped because I finger coiled it, but I'm too tired and not feeling well enough to separate it, so please just disregard that. Thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to like, leave me a comment down below if you're going to be trying out this look. Don't forget to subscribe, turn on post notifications, follow me on Instagram, and I'll see you guys next time.